Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to get Google Earth Pro on your Windows device. So first off, you want to do is go to your web browser and search up Google Earth Pro. Sorry if caps lock on, but let me turn that off. But then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find Earth versions dash Google Earth. Click that. It will bring you to here. Go down, click this Google Earth Pro on desktop, and then click Download Earth Pro on desktop. And then you have these, and then after you're going to accept all of these and click Accept and Download. So it's downloading. So now you're gonna double click it. I mean left click it. I don't know. Whatever it does this. And then click open file. And then just wait a second. It takes a second. And then you see yes. Click yes. And then it will download for not long. And then it will install for your device. This might take a while, this might not. And then now you can press close and then search up Google Earth Pro. And now you have it. So that is how you get it. Hope you guys have a great day and see you guys in the next video. Bye.